Hello, I am Farina and I'm an application engineer at Materialise. In this video, I will show you how to use a RegionGrowing tool in Mimics. In this video, we're going to talk about the RegionGrowing tool. Say we want to segment out the bony anatomy from this dataset. We'll go to the thresholding tool, choose the bone threshold set, and hit apply. I am going to turn on our 3D preview to see how it came out. You can see that there are a lot of extra structures in the model, such as parts of the femoral artery and several artifacts. We don't want those included in our model. As long as the unwanted parts are not connected to the model, we can use the RegionGrowing tool to quickly get rid of those extraneous structures. Go back to the segment menu and click on the RegionGrowing tool. This opens up a dialog box that gives us several options. We'll first need to choose our source mask, which will be our green mask, and then we can create a new mask of just the bony anatomy. We want to keep the original mask, so make sure the checkbox for multiple layers is checked to ensure the tool works in all 3 dimensions and all layers throughout the dataset. To explain the connectivity, we're going to pull out the reference guide, which provides background on all of the tools we're using. RegionGrowing works by placing a seed point and then growing out from the seed point to any of the connected voxels in that mask. So if you have 6 connectivity selected, that seed point is going to grow out to any voxels that share a face with it. In this cube here, imagine the center cube was the voxel we selected as the seed point. This is only going to grow out to the voxels that share a face with the center cube, which you can see here in red. If you select 26 connectivity, it's going to grow out to all the voxels that share a face and edge or vertices with your initial point. You actually won't see a whole lot of difference between 6 and 26 connectivity, so I'm just going to leave it on 6 connectivity for now. To actually perform the RegionGrowing operation, left-click on the mask in the 2D window or the model in the 3D preview window. You'll see it creates a new mask, but without all the extra structures because they weren't connected to the model. If you want to separate connected structures, check out our separate tutorial on how to use the split mask tool.